Welcome again. This is Jeremiah Bankole. Welcome to Tech with Jerry. In this channel, we give videos on technology, programming, and tech. Just check in the description and also check the welcome video. You'll be welcomed properly. Now, in this video, we're talking about the Python list comprehension. What the list comprehension does is helps us create lists in a much more easier and faster way. So we do it in a single line compared to doing it in a just more than one line, more than two lines. I'll show you what I mean by that. So assuming you want to create a new list and you want to create it from a list of a range of numbers, let's say 0 to 30, for instance. Now, this is the way we create it. We go to new list equals empty, then we start looping around it. We say for x in range. Now I said 0 to 30, I think that's too much. Let's say 1 to 10. Let's say 1 to 10. Now the reason I put 11 there because of course range doesn't pick the last value there. It stops at 10. So what we do here is we just print out x. Now, but since we are appending to a new list, we just append it using the append method. Then we say append x. And at the end of it, we just print our new list. What is happening today? So we just print our new list and we're fine. This is what we do most of the time, and we get our result, what we want. But look at it. I've used like almost 3 lines here trying to get a new list. Come on. I'll just comment this out. I don't like that. Now, most developers, everyone who knows this, no longer go through that long method. So some people also be finding it difficult understanding how the list comprehension works. So all you have to do is give it the variable name you want, of course, then give it the brackets you want. Instead of just leaving it and going to the next line to iterate over, just come here and we'll work inside the brackets. So we're working inside the bracket. You are going to loop here. You see for x in range, let's do the same thing above there. X in range 1, 11, right? Now we want to print out x, right? So we just come here and say x space, and that's all. So if I should run this, it should still give me the same thing, 1 to 10. All well and good. So what we're doing here is x here is what we're printing out. This x is what we are taking from this one after the other. So range is all considered iterable. When I'm talking about an iterable is something you can go over. A list of items you can go one after the other over. So we've printed x and we've gotten a new list just by writing all this on a single line. Oh well and good. Another thing we can do with the list comprehension. Not only this, we can also add a condition to it. What if we have a list of numbers? Let's say numbers. So this number is let's say 2, 3, 4, come on, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, what if I just want to get the even numbers out of this? Instead of me trying to loop around it, I just follow the same method. I have the square bracket and I'm working inside it. So I'm saying for x instead of range now, I'm saying numbers. What I want you to do is, yes, give me x, but there's a condition. I don't want all the numbers 1 to 10 inside this new list. Then what's the use? So in front of it, we just put in a condition instead of having to, if you're writing this in a normal convention, you'll be writing it using a very long line for this and this, if this is this, and it takes a lot of space and doesn't make your work so efficient. Just on a single line, you put in a condition. So how do we know a number is even? If the number divides 2 and gives you a remainder of 0, then we know it's an even number. So the modular just works for that. So the number divided by 2, the remainder should be 0. Once it's equal to 0, I want you to give me. So I'm not printing new list again. I'm printing even numbers. And there we go. I should run this. I have what I need. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All well and good. So you can see the power of the list comprehension, and I just want you to start implementing it from now on and stop writing boring long codes that doesn't make it easy to read, doesn't even make it fun at all, just waste space and all. So this makes it so efficient. It makes your coding more readable, makes it explicit. In fact, yes, more explicit. Put it that way, but not as explicit as the for loop way, the normal explicit for loop that you write. So that's all I have for you today. That's it for this comprehension. The next part of this series will be talking about the dictionary comprehension. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, a question, or feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.